Morning class. Today we will have a discussion on how to read the design data book. And one question will definitely arise your mind that why should we use data book for the designing purpose. Actually, data book is some sort of reference book which will help you in getting few parameters from that book and which will be helpful to design any type of mechanical equipment. Like suppose you have to design a shaft, then there will be few parameters which will be unknown to you that can be uh, extract out from this design data box. So suppose you have as you can go through this and you can have that different things you can get from here also. Like these are the areas which is given in the books. There are few different type of terms like sigma b, that is transverse bending stress, sigma c is compressive stress. This type of different parameters and what are the symbols of that parameter including their units is mentioned in this books at the prime time. And then when you go through the abbreviation, those abbreviations are also given. So what are the main purpose of this design data book? So we will get back to that, and I will let you know that what are the main purposes of this design book. So coming back to this table, let us suppose you have been given a something problems and where you have been given the diameter. Let us suppose there is a diameter that is 2.25. So you have the diameter is being given, but related to that diameter, any tensile strength or compressive strength or shear strength that is not being given in your question. Then how can you extract that tensile strength or shear strength from that figure? So this is the way. Let us suppose the diameter is 2.25. So you can go through this table and at the column of tensile strength that is given here, that is sigma saturated. So approximately the value of tensile strength for the diameter of 2.25 will be 2570 megapascal. So and that similar unit in kpsi is also given, that is the both the unit in SI unit and CGS unit both are given or mentioned here. Let us suppose to point to another examples. Let us suppose the diameter is mentioned here is 3.15. Then you can easily extract that for 3.15 diameter the sigma will be or tensile strength will be 1338 megapascal. So these are the various parameters which we can get from this design data book. This is ultimately a reference book. Let us suppose that a material is given, like you have been given that it is a carbon, but you don't have any another values of carbon, like what are the sigma, y, diameter, length, breadth, different various parameters, so which can be extract out from this design data book. Like you can see here that there are steel 1016, 1024 different variants of steel forms are given, and for that you can get here that like these are the scales for here. Like this is the suppose let us suppose one thing. This is the steel that is gone through here, just is 1016. Let us suppose 1016 is given the material of steel, so you can easily get the tensile strength for is 455. Similarly, the compressive strength is not mentioned, but fatigue strength is given, that is 240 megapascal. So according to the types of requirement, you can extract various values from this design data book. This is a simple basic introduction for you students, and I will let you know the another examples or the various applications in the future response. So I think this might be helpful for you. What are the basics or starting implementations of design data book? So in a brief, I can exclude my all dictation into single line, that is this design data book is mainly helpful for you guys in reference to extract few parameters which are not mentioned in the questions or in the design catalog for the designing of that concerned equipment. So mainly you can extract few values from this design data book, like tensile strength, properties of material, shear strength, compressive strength, and Young's modulus, modulus of rigidity. Various type of parameters you can extract from this design data book. Class for today's design data book lecture, and thank you all.